Working with large data sets in Excel, reorganizing columns can make your data more readable and structured. Today, we'll cover 3 simple yet powerful methods to move columns in Excel. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that will save you time. Method 1. Dragging and dropping columns. The easiest and most intuitive method to move columns is by dragging and dropping. Here's how you do it. First, click on the column letter at the top to select the entire column. Next, hover your cursor over the edge of the selection until you see a 4-sided arrow. Hold the Shift key, then click and drag the column to your desired position. Release the mouse button, and Excel will move the column without affecting other data. While this method works well for small data sets, it can be tricky when handling large spreadsheets. If you want more precision, the next method is for you. Method 2. Using Kutools for Excel. When working with large data sets, manually moving columns can be time-consuming. This is where Kutools for Excel comes in handy. To use the column list feature in Kutools, first install Kutools for Excel if you haven't already. Click on Kutools in the toolbar, then go to Navigation pane and click Column List. In the panel that appears, select the column you wish to move. Simply drag and drop the column to your desired position. Kutools ensures precise column movement, minimizing errors and enhancing efficiency, especially when dealing with extensive data. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to move columns in Excel. Whether you prefer the classic drag and drop, the cut and insert method, or the power of Kutools, these techniques will streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.